Let's make sheet pan chicken fajitas. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 2 teaspoons of paprika to a small bowl and mix. Rinse and dry 4 large bell peppers. I like to use one of each color. Then remove the top and all the seeds and white pith. Then slice them into long strips. Peel and slice 1 large onion. You can use yellow, white, or purple onions. Just use your favorite onion. Slice up 8 to 10 chicken tenderloins into long strips. You can use a few chicken breasts or chicken thighs if desired. I really like using tenderloins. Add the peppers to a large bowl along with the sliced onions, and sliced chicken. Chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and add that. Drizzle on 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, sprinkle on all the spices. Cover the bowl with a lid and shake it for a few seconds. You can also place everything in a large Ziploc bag and shake it. Stir with some tongs to make sure everything is evenly coated. Line a sheet pan with a silicone baking mat or parchment paper. Then dump out the uncooked fajita mixture. Spread it out evenly. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 18 to 23 minutes until the chicken is cooked. The internal chicken temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, serve however you like. I like to add it to a small flour tortilla, then add some fresh avocado, some sour cream. Sometimes I'll even add shredded cheddar cheese as well. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.